Hazard communication. Introduction. There are approximately 650,000 existing chemical products and hundreds are added annually. Chemical exposure may cause or contribute to many serious health effects. Some chemicals are also safety hazards that have the potential to cause fires, explosions, or serious accidents. Some employees may be exposed to biological hazards. Employer responsibilities. Identify and list hazardous chemicals in the workplace. Obtain material safety data sheets, MSDS, for each hazardous chemical. Implement written HAZCOM program, including labels, MSDSs, and employee training. Employees must be made aware of hazards associated with chemicals in use at their workplace. MSDS are prepared by the chemical manufacturer and provide physical hazards, fire, explosion, health hazards, signs of exposure, routes of exposure, precautions for safe handling and use, emergency and first aid procedure, control measures, English chemical identity and common name, must be readily accessible to employees in the work area. Note, as of June 1st, 2015, will be converted to global format SDS. Common hazards. Examples of hazards commonly found. Phthalates, air freshener, soap, almost anything scented. Perchloroethylene, spot cleaners, carpet cleaners. Triclosan, most antibacterial soaps. Butoxyethanons, window cleaners, general purpose cleaners. Employee responsibilities. Employee responsibilities with chemicals in the workplace include: be aware of the risks associated with the chemical you use the proper protective equipment when using hazardous chemicals, ensure containers are properly labeled, know where to find MSDS, understand the product hazards, know common routes of entry, know treatment remedies. Protective equipment. Know which PPE is appropriate. Always use as intended, and know the limitation. Chemical labeling. Each container must be labeled with the following: identity of the chemical, appropriate hazard warning, name and contact information of supplier or manufacturer. Biological hazards. Employees are exposed to biological hazards through cuts from contaminated sharps, syringes, broken glass, contact of mucous membranes or broken skin with contaminated blood or body fluids. Universal precautions. Treat all human blood and body fluids as infectious. Use extreme cautions and PPE in all situations where there is a risk of contact with blood or body fluids. Summary. OSHA's Hazardous Communications Standard is based on a simple concept. Employees have both a need and a right to know the hazards and identities of the chemicals they are exposed to when working.